Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Zach's Workshop Lego Demo Cross. We've got a great show for you here tonight. Of course, starring Zach McCormick in the Audi turned Subaru 171 car. He's putting on a real show for you here today, boys and girls. And then we've got CH coming over in the purple Cadillac. CRV, that thing's got a lot of computers in it. I don't know, we might have some trouble with that tonight. And driving the dirty old Ford, we've got Spency the Bomb. And now it's time for us to start the demo cross. If we could get a countdown, ladies and gentlemen, in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bam, 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 bam. And Zach's leading the pack. He's coming through strong. That Audi Subaru's got so much power. Oh no, it looks like he's taking out the ramp. What's going to happen here now? It's looking like chaos and mayhem. Oh, it seems like the Ford's taking Zach's car out of the race. We're going to have to just pause for a moment while we clean up the mess. I don't know what happened here, but at least we've got those good heavy equipment operators to help us get through the show. And if we could just get CH to bring that dirty Cadillac out of here. I can't even remember who won, but if we can get this arena ready, it's time for the real show.
Okay.
Of course, again, in the 171 Subaru Audi machine, we've got Zach from Zach's Workshop. He's the retail sponsor of the show, funder of all, and builder extraordinaire. Now, if we could just get that concrete block placed, I think we're ready to start the action. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's demo. Oh, and it starts out strong with some heavy hitters. We've got Zach caught up on a log, but I think he's got her now. Bringing that power. Oh my goodness, something terrible has happened over here in the outfield. This poor Oldsmobile didn't even get started. That big Chevy just went for a camping trip off of the rack. And now it looks like the Cadillac's on fire. Good thing we've got those volunteer firemen here to help take care of that problem. Well, I think that driver's out. CH's gonna go home with no trophy. And here comes McCormick in the 171 car. What's he gonna do, boys and girls? He went for a track shot over there. Oh, that Ford just didn't know what was happening. I think we've got ourselves the winner. Thanks for the prizes, Zach. We really appreciate it. Kids are enjoying their time. I couldn't bear to put that beautiful Oldsmobile in the demolition derby, but you know, we'll send her back to you when we're done. Thanks again.